It is August 14th, 2019. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for this fairly extensive roof line, single family home on Southwest West Hills Road in Corvallis, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. At the time of inspection, there are quite a few reportable challenges with these low-sloped and gable-style roofs. We'll do our best to detail the majority of those challenges here. We're going to call end-of-life conditions at the left rear and right rear shops. We're calling this the middle shop. So end of life at the two rear shops, end of life at the middle shop. We can substantiate that claim here. We have exposed fiberglass material at the low sloped area at the back of the middle garage, as well as crocodiling and extensive cracking at a variety of locations, nearly every location here at this rear portion of the shop. The collar around the flue at this section is also badly damaged, and there's no wire ties or metal bracketry stabilizing the stack as it exits the roof line. We've got a missing shingle here, and the granular material is lost to an extent that it's actually kind of hazardous to walk on this roof line. You can hear my feet slipping out from underneath me. We're seeing manufacturer's defects or challenges that's sort of characteristic with manufacturer's defects here at the left front corner, and incorrect configuration of roofline materials here at this lean-to side. There's also gapping between the flashing at the rear portion of the back shop and that lean-to. As we make our way up to the shop behind the garage space, we've also identified crocodiling, major cracking, and some significant areas of significant softness along this roof line area. We would expect to see active leaking at this location, as well as area above the garage. Got a breach in the membrane here at this location. And as we move forward along the roof line, the area at the front of the garage conversion is a slope that's it's excessively shallow. A composite or asphalt style roofing such as this should never be used below like 2 inches drop for every 12 inches run. And what we've identified here, a slope at best, it's 0.4 or a half, close to half over 12. So we're about 25% of the absolute minimum standard if you use special precautions, and as far as we can tell, no special precautions were taken to apply that roof. The membrane roof here at the rear portion of the garage space appears to be in decent condition, although the side flashing, the flashing attached to the sidewall, is actually in poor condition and actually poorly and improperly installed. The chimney at the left-hand side of the front portion of the living space is actually in poor condition as well. We have loose bricks at a number of locations, and we would recommend not burning fires in this unit until it's evaluated. We'd recommend evaluation and possible repair by a licensed roofing contractor for these, as well as all identified challenges at this single-family home. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.